Here are two tips that I always include in all my production apps. And I never started this way, but after running a lot of production apps, these are things that I just need to include now. So the first tip is add a last login date to your user. Whenever they log in, schedule a backend workflow to update the last login date to the current date and adjust any other relationships that you need to for that user logging in. This information makes it really easy to find your most active and most recently active users within any kind of admin dashboard, which can help you uncover a lot more important things that you might need to discover about your application. It's a super lightweight field, and that information can help you grow your business to be bigger and better. The next thing that I do is I always add a terms accepted data type to my applications. Now, this might apply when a user has to accept your privacy policy, your terms of use, and or any kind of payment policy. Whenever they agree to that checkbox, I create a new terms accepted. I capture the creator, the date, and their IP address. Now, I've never actually had to use this information, but if I did, and a user ever said, hey, I didn't agree to your payment terms, I could simply go back into my records and say, actually, on this date, you as the user accepted it with this IP address. So you did accept it. So it's just really important information to save and store for any kind of legal things like that. And it's a really easy thing to do. So it's better to be safe than sorry. So it's for those reasons that I save these two fields and data types to all of my bubble builds going forward, and hopefully it can help you as well. If you enjoyed this tip, please follow me for more.